Alright, well it's the weekend, so I'm going to tackle this I think, because there's no point putting the other binnacle on until I've got this solid. So I'm going to have to take all that and that out just to get to this basically. Moment of truth. I can come out. How's that going to work with all these bits and pieces like that? I really need to sort all the wiring out here. Understand what it's doing. Might be able to rest that. Something dropped. This one up for the radio, these ISO connector, and it's, you know, two parts of the loom split around another few cables here, so you can't untangle one without disconnecting the other. Let's get the radio area out of the way, so that's tangled completely. These are hardwired and they're just part of the loom. So that can be disconnected. Where can the rest of it be disconnected? And if I pull these out, they've got to go, if I undo those, they've got to go forwards, which is not ideal. Look at that wiring. That's for the radio. Hideous, absolutely hideous. I need to do something about it. Completely. Let's connect into that. That goes down there somewhere. That probably goes to the fuse box. Spliced there. I don't know, what's that? Oh, right, okay. So that's the original connector on the cigar lighter with a permanent feed. They've taken a permanent feed and the earth off there. It's into that block of wires. And it's somewhat, it goes down that way. That's a load of wires connected together. What am I going to do in the short term? Can I get, is that okay to just rest like that? Move fifth gear. Oh, bit of reverse. Yeah, I think that can rest like that. I was thinking, what I really need is a middle seat. Lo and behold. go. Can actually just pull this forward and get to that screw, which is all I need. It would have been nice to take this out and just wash it down a bit, but I have discovered though, this bit's missing, this plastic bit that the spigot of the end of the radio goes in. That's missing, so I'm gonna have to get one of those. I had a spare one and I sold it about 4 years ago. That's annoying. And they ain't cheap. Right. Can I get to that? God, not easily. This dashboard's definitely been out before. I mean, they've done the original mod, you know, when they put all this stuff in, the wiring for the ambulance light and stuff and the siren. Would have had the dashboard out, and then when they've done the radio bodgery, that's been out before. So there's things like screws been missing up here and up here that hold the top into this bit here. So not just these screws, but these ones as well. And a few of them are the wrong ones as well, but so be it. We'll make it fresh, we'll make it new again. Right the way it should be. No, just do it by hand. There we go. I'm just taking this off. Lo and behold, what do you find? The biro stuck down the heater vent. There you go. Classic. Good, documented, I found the right screws. Good. Don't forget the last bit.